There's a lot of ways to run agents in a notebook or from your terminal, but running those agents securely and reliably for 10,000 users, well, that's where most teams hit a wall. I'm Tula Masterman, an AI Agent Solutions Architect here at MeshAgent, and welcome back to the MeshAgent Advantage series. Today, we're going to be talking about how MeshAgent helps you operate at enterprise scale by providing the infrastructure you need so that you can move from a cool demo into production reality. Agent prototypes break when you try to add more people, more tools, or more data. And then collaboration stills, infrastructure buckles, and oftentimes nobody knows who changed what or why your agents aren't working anymore. MeshAgent solves for a lot of those problems by creating secure rooms on demand. Our rooms are live spaces where humans and agents can share context and collaborate together in real time. Rooms are unique because they spin up when the first participant joins and they disappear when the last one leaves. So everyone has access to the context that they need when they need it, and so that idle workspaces never burn budget. MeshAgent provides a uniform way to create, deploy, and manage agents so you can scale easily across projects. As your demand changes, MeshAgent autoscales the infrastructure needed to run your agents, and the appropriate security policies, access rules, and audit logs follow every agent room automatically so that whether you're running 10 agents or 10,000, everything works exactly as intended. If you're ready to get past the notebook stage and start running your agents in production, go ahead and sign up for MeshAgent at meshagent.com and spin up your first agent today. Join us tomorrow where we'll be diving into the deep observability integrated with MeshAgent that provides you all the tools you need to keep your agents healthy and to keep your business on track.